Good morning, my dear students. We will start chapter 4 today. Is India in the 18th century. So write today's date on the top. You can write today's date on the top of this page. So get set paragraph. You have to take reading by your own, and two tough words are there. You have to write the meaning along with the words here. Reinstated. Reinstated means restore to their former position or state. Restore to their former position or state. Then dominions, semi-independent polities. Semi-independent polities. So take this reading of this paragraph by your own. Now we will start the chapter. The Mughal Empire had begun to show signs of decay during the reign of Aurangzeb after his death in 1707. So here it is clear that Aurangzeb ruled up to 17780. Okay, 17780. So he ruled up to 177. After his death in 177, Mughal Empire started decline. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind that when he came to power, when Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb came to power, he rose to power in 1658. Okay, so after the king who ruled after Aurangzeb, they were called the later Mughals. Later Mughals. Who are the later Mughals? There are four rulers: Bahadur Shah I, Jahandar Shah, Farrukhsiyar, and Muhammad Shah. These were called the later Mughals. So in Muhammad Shah's time, Muhammad Shah's rule, Nadir Shah invaded India. After that, Ahmad Shah Abdali invaded India. So Nadir Shah and Ahmad Shah Abdali, they were the foreigners from west side. They invaded India. They attacked India for the rule and wealth of India. The Mughal Empire could never recover the devastating effects of these invasions. Devastating means highly destructive or damaging. So Nadir Shah's and Ahmad Shah Abdali's invasions made India's economy very poor. Then we can say very devastating effects on Indian economy and wealth. So India could not recover, Mughal Empire could not recover these effects. Okay, effects of these invasions, while the empire tried to retain a token of its erstwhile glory. Erstwhile means former. So after that, empire tried to retain means regain the token of his former glory. Many regional kingdoms arose challenge to the Mughal authority in the 18th century. So in this chapter we will study that after the decline of Mughal Empire, many regional kingdoms arose to challenge. Many regional kingdoms started gaining their powers. So the French and English trading companies too joined the regional kingdoms in their struggle for power. So this is the whole condition we will study in this chapter. So first of all, we will study the decline of Mughal Empire. Decline means how the Mughal Empire started decline, how it started decline, how it started losing its power. So we will study. There are so many reasons. Rivalry among the nobles, Jagirdari crisis. So rivalry among the nobles means priestly class. So there was a constant struggle for power among the nobility, which comprised the Turanis, then Iranis and Hindustanis. So these are the combination of three countries: Turanis, Iranis and Hindustanis. So these priestly class was comprised of these three regions, these three countries. So there was a power among them for the there was a struggle among them for the power. So they acted as kingmakers and became direct contenders for power, deposing, raising princes to the throne to further their own interest. Petty rivalries and jealousies hampered means hinder the smooth functioning of the empire. So the nobility class, they were fighting among themselves for the power. There was a struggle among themselves for the power because they were belonging to different countries, Turanis, Iranis and Hindustanis. So with the fighting, with the struggle among themselves, they hampered the smooth functioning of the Mughal Empire. So this is the first reason behind the decline of Mughal Empire. Then next, Jagirdari crisis. The Mughals had introduced the Jagirdari system. Under this system, the Mughals paid the officers Jagirs. Jagirs, new term we have studied. So Jagirs in lieu of their service. So Mughals paid the officers Jagirs, piece of land, for in return of their service in the form of their salary. By the end of 17th century, there was a scramble for few remaining Jagirs. A lot of crown land was converted into Jagir land. This decreased the rulers' share of revenue, and as a result, the rulers' power declined further. Okay, so in this video we have studied the starting and the decline of Mughal Empire, 2 points. Next points we will study in the next videos.